Okay guys, in this video we're going to be talking about altcoins coming from Jake Banks right here. I mean guys, look, I've been asking all of you to post your favorite shitcoins down in the comments so that we can talk about it, right? I mean that keeps my content car rolling as well. So in this video, let me know down in the comments what your favorite coins are. But for this one, we're going to be talking about ANKR, coin, vchain and HBAR guys. Alright, by the way, don't kill me if I make these kind of thumbnails guys. Just don't kill me, right, if I do that. Anyway, so with that said, let's talk about the first crypto asset for the day right here. First, altcoin. It's ANKR protocol. It's ANKR protocol, guys. Now the thing is that in the macro side of things, this is the 3-day. All right, let me get to the 3-day time frame. On the 3-day time frame, yes, you are setting in a higher low as compared to this one right here. So yes, guys, the thing is, even if the low is marginally higher than this one right here, technically, yes, this is a higher low as compared to this one. So yes, we can expect good moves. Most likely a probable retest although it was the previous all-time highs as well. So that is up the cards for ANKR protocol altogether, guys. Major chunk of resistance coming at this price point. So this is your ultimate target, right? Now the thing is that it's going to be quite dependent on what Ethereum is doing, guys. So if you didn't check out the previous video, check that out. It's quite important. It's kind of like the basics, right? You got to have the basics to follow up with any altcoin trade as well, guys, because April is probably going to be bullish, but you have to be cautiously bullish at the same time as well. You just simply can't let go of all the gains that you'll make in this month altogether. Anyways, guys, now the price action is squeezing and grinding and kind of resolving this one to the upside with the exponential curl into the upside and the trend establishment above 21 exponential once again on the 3-day, which means that major risk management is going to be below this price point. Essentially, place your stop losses below this price point, and this is not a financial advice. Things coming from this fucking channel is not going to be a financial advice, guys. It's never going to be that. Anyways, so right here below this price point is where I would be if I were to be taking this trade right here. I would not be interested in ANKR if you simply, even if you wick below 0.07777777777777. I should shut the fuck up right here. But and to the upside, essentially you are breaking out of this price point as well. So 3-day candles being established above 8.5 cents on ANKR protocol is kind of bullish, honestly. It's kind of bullish, to be honest with you, and that would mean that we'll simply teleport all the way towards the high side of this volume node at 10 cents altogether. So for ANKR protocol in the small to mid time frames, there's an up leg for a 15%, which is probably going to be about to happening pretty soon as well. Most likely that is going to be lining up with Ethereum trying to go towards $3,800 regions for good as well, right? And guys, if we turn a little Fibonacci sequence right up the bottom right here, 236 is coming here, 3-2 extension is slightly above 10 cents. So yes, most likely this is going to be the first target for ANKR protocol, and the ultimate target's at 618 coming at 13 cents as well. So that is also going to be lining with Ethereum trying to go towards 618 or 786, guys. The upside targets for Ethereum although are a little more aggressive, right? But the percentage gains if ANKR goes towards the 618 level is 60% move from these levels right here. Although on Ethereum is kind of like, I think 25 to 30% like to the upside. But for ANKR protocol, it's going to be right here, guys. The thing is that the upside on altcoins is going to be certainly greater, but what's going to be greater with the upside is going to be the volatility as well. So do not leverage yourself out if you're playing altcoins. I mean, essentially, if you're simply playing altcoins, it's rather a good choice to simply sit on the spot markets altogether. I know Binance is just up with every single future contract out there for every single shitcoin that is out there as well. That makes things kind of, let's just say, very noisy, and kind of makes difficult to focus on the clear picture as well, which is why, guys, if you go to a fucking shopping mall, you see a lot of things around, everything is not yours, right? Our crypto markets are like shopping malls. You will see everything going to the upside, downside, but if it is not in your plan, most likely it will kill you. Most likely it will hurt you altogether, right? So just proceed with plans. Have a plan before jumping into any position altogether, guys. So do that as well. I mean, do that before proceeding into the crypto mall altogether right here, guys. Okay, 618 targets right here and 786 right here, guys. Okay, the daily time frame, although I think this is going to tell us that things are probably getting very volatile on these levels, or are they? Nope. Honestly, guys, altcoins are not that violently volatile. Holy fucking shit. I mean, altcoins are not that volatile, guys. Okay, I'll tell you what volatility is if my fucking internet allows me right here. At least if you go towards the yellow reads on the HV index or the red reads on the HV index, this is where, I mean, taking a new position is going to be a complete shit show altogether. If you jump into a new exposure when the volatility is completely at fucking red line signatures right here, that is when most likely the things will go against you altogether. Now, the thing is that you are not that volatile. ANKR protocol and a lot of altcoins out there in the market are not that volatile. So taking positional trades or making new trades in the market in futures contracts as well, it's probably going to be okay. Although refrain from trading on these things on leverage altogether, guys. You know the deal right here. If you want to leverage yourself out, you can talk about L1s like Solana or AVAX or Luna or maybe Ethereum, Bitcoin as well. You can trade those things on leverage because of the liquidity and because, well, less chances of fake outs, right? And altcoins on the other hand, if you go on 25x leverage on these kind of altcoins, it's going to be a little tight and most likely it's going to be very difficult to manage the risk because on 25x leverage, if the altcoin goes 4% against you, you're going to be gone. Your balance is going to go to zero, which is why 25x leverage on altcoins like these is going to be a little dicey situation. So sticking to spot altogether on a T9 leverage probably is going to be a better choice altogether, right? Okay, on we go to the next one, and damn it, 5 minutes 30 seconds already on one single shitcoin. Man, oh man, I can't help myself, guys. Now, if you compare this piece of price action structure with ANKR protocol, you can see that SIA coin set in a new lower low as compared to this one right here, which is why can we expect crazy moves from these levels? Yes, we can certainly expect a lot of upside, but it's going to be a little tired as compared to what ANKR is trying to do in the market. And if we talk about, all right, let me just try to, my charting skills are not that really nice, honestly, guys. If you talk about a regression channel running alongside this price action right here, you can see that this one is coming at your 15 cents regions. So in the small to mid time frames, yes, SIA coin has a good looking target all the way towards 15 cents with a lot of volatility, guys. Yes, we can expect a quick little washout all the way towards the 21 exponential, all the way down at 1 cent per SIA coin. I would be expecting the price action to get picked up immediately if the price action simply rolls all the way towards these levels, right? And on the other side, on the other hand, if you just simply talk about this breakout happening as of now, wait for the 3-day candle to close above this price point. If it does, yes, it's going to be probably an immediate move all the way towards the 55 simple at first, which is at 0.014 cents altogether. That is on the cards as well for SIA coin. Now, if you talk about the, all right, certainly not the 4-hour time frame because that's going to be very choppy. We can certainly talk about 4-hour time frame as well. I mean, with probably Ethereum managing some key structures, yes, SIA coin above in the immediate small time frame, SIA coin is completely fine above this price point. If SIA loses this entire region, this wick low to the downside, most likely it will come and retest the 55 simple at least on the 4-hour time frame, and expect this one to get picked up onto these levels at first, guys, and then you can proceed with your upside targets coming at these regions altogether as well. Momentum oscillator is completely fine, no sign of bearish divergence as of now, so yes, this momentum can simply go to the upside. Okay, next up we have vchain bouncing from a very good looking region right here. This is coming from 350 moving average on the 3-day time frame itself. So vchain is kind of bouncing from a macro support. Holy shit, this was a good opportunity. I mean, how the fuck can I miss this one out? I mean, sometimes you have to be only technically strong in the market and things will come to you. I mean, holy fuck, I mean, just you could have simply waited for 3-4 months and let the price action come to your zones and then simply picked up. Oh man, oh my goodness, this is a neat looking fucking breakout right here and simply rolling towards the 200 simple on the 3-day. Most likely gonna spend some time right here. vchain at 7.3 cents altogether. We'll probably spend some time right here consolidating, but the eventual resolution most likely will take the price action towards these areas at 10 cents altogether as well, because I think it's going to be a 618 deep retracement coming on our dear vchain right here, guys. vchain is a privacy crypto asset, and if I'm not wrong, it was vchain or it was Verge that was accepted by Pornhub for the first time ever. These things are also happening. Cryptocurrencies are being used for crazy things in the market as well. Yep, these things happen, guys. If the patterns have to repeat, you can see that this entire retracement went towards the 618. For this 618 is coming onto these levels at your 12 cent zones. So do not forget to take profits. If you're long on vchain, if you see vchain coming all the way towards 12 cents, don't forget to take profits. Leave some of the table just for, I don't know, this one mooning all the way towards these levels. But can we expect moonshots in these kind of landscapes? Honestly, if Bitcoin establishes a good looking trend above 55,000, yes, we can kind of expect that, but everything has to happen step by step, guys. And remember, holy shit, every profitable trader I know in my own personal life, in my own trading life as well, have been goddamn aggressive about taking those profits, guys. Have been goddamn aggressive about that. Yes, I mean, yes. A lot of successful traders are very aggressive about taking profits altogether. Do they close their entire fucking position at one single price point? Not usually, but they make sure that they're going to be securing a lot of profit as the asset moves in their direction altogether, guys, because this market moves very fast, very fast. You have to be objectively driven about your holdings. You should not be bothered about what other motherfucker is trying to say or probably trying to do in the market altogether. Analyze yourself, look at the trends yourself, and keep on scaling out of the market as you go to the upside. Keep on taking profits, essentially, right? Okay, let's talk about vchain on. Look, guys, the thing is, let's conclude the 3-day right here. I mean, this is jumping from a very obvious point right here, which is why you see a crazy bullish momentum from these levels. RSI 3-day is amazing. On the daily, RSI needs a little cool down. I mean, on pretty rare occasions, we've seen RSI being at these levels right here, interacting with the 144 simple moving average on the daily time frame. I mean, this is a Fibonacci moving average, right? So you could potentially spend some time consolidating right here on these levels. And essentially, with Ethereum breaking out of key levels and Bitcoin doing the same thing for vchain, this is going to be the risk management metric, guys. Can we dig deep and can we find some good areas of management? Yes, we can do that as well. I mean, I would be really fucking cautious if vchain loses 0.063 cents altogether, right? This wick low right here. If you see vchain going below this price point, maybe it will go down all the way towards the 350 on the 4-hour time frame and then probably roll to the upside. Man, oh man, that's going to be very volatile. 4-hour time frame is fuck all volatile, guys. This, I would be refraining from taking a new position if I see such kind of signatures. You know the deal. I would be waiting for this one to kind of cool down a bit and then probably jump into a new position if I have not done that already. But well, 27% can happen to the downside, but the overall context, since we are bouncing from 3-day 350 moving average, it's going to be probably bullish altogether. So yeah, probably we do continue to the upside with a little consolidation on these levels altogether. HBAR, once again, 200 moving average on the 3-day time frame, the best out of all of these 4 crypto assets right here, because this higher low is pretty amazing, and the squeeze grind resolution is also amazing, guys. Oh, holy fuck, I apologize about this line right here, but yes, this is what I'm talking about. A crazy grind that is wanting to resolve the upside. I mean, essentially, let's draw this little regression line and a regression line from the bottom. You can see that this is the good looking falling wedge that is just breaking out right here. So the risk to reward on HBAR is literally the best right now, guys. I mean, this one likes to do that. I mean, the last time this one happened was out of this region right here, and after the breakout, it was, well, a 3x in the market, right? 17 cents and 54 cents. So yes, it was a 3x in the market. We broke out at 22 cents. So most likely, if we do attempt to set in a new higher low, new higher high, that is when we'll be targeting 66 cents on HBAR altogether. So that is also something which could potentially play out in the market, guys. If you're on a regression line right here, okay, not from the top. If you're on a regression line from the bottom side, let's see where the middle channel is probably trying to come towards. Probably it's going to be somewhere at your 40 cents. Yes, so let's just say that we can expect a lot of profit taking happening from a purely technical standpoint at 40 cents, because this area is of a big significance altogether. Maybe yes, this one pulls off and goes all the way towards 40 cents. We can expect a lot of consolidation, but the ultimate target from this entire channel potentially could be happening towards these regions right here at 69.420 cents, guys. I don't know. I mean, that could also happen for HBAR, right? Overall, this is a good looking trend. This is a nice trend, something which I would like to appreciate, honestly. But look, guys, this one is like getting ahead of herself, right? If you are simply pointing out 69 cents from these levels right here, it's going to be a little far-fetched opinion. But if you see the trend being established above the 55 simple or the 3-day time frame, that is when you'll be confident. That is when the market will be confident and the hodlers of HBAR will roll with leverage, probably with leverage, right? On the daily time frame, let's see what's happening right there as well. What I would really like for this one to do is kind of put in a bullish cross, right? Look, guys, the small term momentum on the daily time frame is also defined by bullish cross between the 21 and the 55 simple altogether. So this is also about to happen pretty soon. Once this happens, even if we come back down all the way towards these levels at the test of the bullish cross, it's going to be a buying opportunity. It's going to be a big fat buying opportunity at first, guys. On the upper hand, although the 200 simple is coming right here, last time we did grind against the 200 simple for a very long time, right? But the slope of the 200 simple was kind of inclined to the upside. As you can see, this one is kind of inclined to the downside right now, which is why, guys, expecting a lot of chop is something up our sleeves, up our cards. I mean, essentially, yes, markets can be very choppy. Once again, got to be bullish, but got to be cautious as well. Essentially, stay out of leverage. I think it's going to be pretty much nice for your risk management and trading altogether for the rest of the month as well. On the 4-hour time frame, you don't want to see the price action simply rolling below this price point. All hell, man, we can extend this one towards this wick low. So essentially, if you see HBAR going below 23 cents altogether, maybe it will need a lot of consolidation before proceeding to the upside. So risk management right here, guys. The thing is that yes, it's good to talk about these things, it's good to expect in the market, guys, but remember, the only fucking thing that can disappoint you in your life is expectations. With that said, guys, I'm going to be winding up this video, and let me know your favorite shitcoin, if any, once again down in the comments. I'll be happy to take a look at that. And bye for now.